In this video, we are going to go over the problem, evaluate the expression negative 3x plus 1.5x plus 2.5 minus x plus 2 when x equals 2. So what does that all mean? It basically means we just have to substitute in a 2 wherever we see an x. So in this first term, oh geez, the zooming here is killing me. In this first term, we have negative 3 times x. Multiplication is implied when the variable is right next to the number. So if I substitute in a 2, that becomes a negative 3 times 2. And then for this next one, if I substitute in a 2 for x, I have plus 1.5 times 2. The next number, I don't have to do anything, plus 2.5. And then over here, I subtract an x. So I subtract a 2, and then I add a 2 at the end. And so now I just have to evaluate this expression. All right, well, negative 3 times 2 is a negative 6. 1.5 times 2 is a positive 3. And then plus 2.5. And you know what I see here, a negative 2 plus a 2, that's 0. So I'm actually not even going to write that down because I know if I subtract 2 from something, then I add 2 from something, it won't change that number at all. So I'll just worry about this. So negative 6 plus 3 is a negative 3 plus 2.5 lands me at a negative 0.5 or a negative 5/10. So that's my final answer. Okay. Another way you could do this problem is to combine your like terms first and then substitute in 2 for x. And doing this is kind of nice because you don't, you only have to substitute in one time. So if I combine my like terms, I have negative 3x. Let's see if I can get a skinnier pen here. I have a negative 3x plus 1.5x, then minus x. Remember that subtraction sign stays with the x. Alrighty, so when I look at this, I just kind of look for easy ways to combine things, and I'm thinking negative 3 minus x is a negative 4x plus 1.5x would land us at a negative 2.5x. So all I did there was 4 minus 1.5, and then we were talking about x's. All right, so now I have to look at my other like terms. So I have some constants here. I have 2.5 and a 2. So 2.5 plus 2 equals 4.5. So if I rewrite this whole expression as one simplified expression, it would be negative 2.5x plus 4.5. And now I can substitute in 2 for x. So, oh boy, I'm frozen. 1 second. Oh, I'm not frozen on the side, so I'm going to write over here. So negative 2.5 times 2, because I'm substituting in 2 for x, plus 4.5. So order of operations, it looks like it unfroze a little. I'm sorry, people. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to where I was working before. So I substituted in a 2 for this x, so it became negative 2.5 times 2 plus 4.5. So 2.5 times 2 is a 5, and a negative times a positive is a negative. So that's negative 5 plus 4.5 gets us our same negative 5/10. So those are the two ways to do it. Do whatever way you like the best. Thanks for watching.